guys, we're back. Just woke up, as you can see. Just got changed. And we're planning to go running. Because, I mean, search how much people gain when they're on the cruise. They gain like 3 to 5 kilos, some even 10 kilos. So, don't want that to happen to us. So we're gonna run, have our own fine dining meal. This time I'll vlog it, last time I didn't, but this time I will. And then we'll play some table tennis, if I have the energy. So, let's see you there. We are here. There's a hot dog place here, and as you can see, table tennis. That's the thing we all care about. So, yeah. This is the breakfast on the cruise. Yeah. Pause it if you want to see. But yeah, this is all included in your package when you buy it. I think I'll have an express. So, see you later. Oh my gosh, look at this. Bacon, eggs, sausage, tomatoes, 2 French toast. Oh my god. Look at this place. You also got the water there. So yeah, Dad, say hi. That is all the info. It's Thursday and we're cruising. And that's the upcoming events. Just had our breakfast and honestly, it was so nice. He's angry at me for having a jacket.
Yeah, you're your brother. Because as soon as you start moving, you'll be warm. Learn that from your lessons.
Yeah. You live and you learn. Anyway, we're waiting for the lift. We're gonna do rock climbing. So see you later. Change of plan. Turns out the rock climbing is closed due to weather. Not exactly sure what they mean. I mean, they have the flow rider, which is surfing, and it has even more water, but like, some people are just lazy. But anyway, we're going back to our room. Probably just gonna chill out in the cafe. So, yeah, that should be good. And also get changed because I'm underdressed. But yeah, see you later, guys. We're back. Just had a shower and we're going to a cafe. Cafe 270. It has a really good view. And we're just gonna chill because we had a busy morning, that's how you put it. So yeah, maybe stop by Cafe Promenade, another cafe, gonna go into that one, and probably get a hot chocolate. So yeah, see you then. Hi guys, just had 2 cups of hot chocolate. 2? Well, he made me 2 and now I'm buggered. I'm not gonna have lunch till like 10 o'clock PM. Well, anyway, we're heading to 270. See you there.
Accumulating over the next 2 days. So make sure you get together. And let's have it, team.
Shut up, host. Shut up, host. So, anyway, we're here. Guess what game we're playing? Yep, we're playing Big Bash. I'm here with my cousin Ben. He's bowling.
What's up? And I bought a bouncer.
Yeah, bowl again. Come on. This is gonna be on YouTube. You better do it. What is he gonna bowl? What is he gonna bowl?
I'll explain to you all the rules before we start.
But it's not gonna be that. It's not gonna be time one. Only one. They only one.
Only got one. He only got one. Anyway, I forget about keeping, but we got bad. So. Oh well. Anyway, that's pretty good. So yeah. Look at the screens move. Just look at it. Look at the screens move. This is cool, isn't it? just finished chilling here. We're gonna get some snacks at 270. So just have to wait here. So yeah, this is my snacks. It's some, I don't know what is this, cordial, but really sweet, so it has a lot of sugar, but oh well. And a bidden cookie. Yeah, it came bidden. Just kidding. No. Just finished chilling in our bedrooms, and now we're going to have lunch because he's hungry and I have to follow him. So that sucks, but okay. Bye bye. Food review. As you can see, I made myself a burger. About to finish it off. Very nice. It's beef and cheese because I'm an American, and then lettuce. And no chips. I'm not that hungry, so this is perfect meal for me. Again, some water diluted with powder drink, and yeah. And what a view is that? Imagine just looking through your bedroom window and you just see water. Looking through it in video doesn't give it justice. Anyway. Hashtag sugar dad. Yeah, and look at me. That's my dessert.
One cookie?
Yeah. We are going to the dodgem cars. We are here. Boy, the queue is long. Goes all the way. All the way across. Oh god. Yeah. It's a really long line. The queue just got longer. It just did a loop. The line literally hasn't moved after half an hour, so we gave up. So we're just gonna go do rock climbing, okay? So, see you there. That rock climbing, whatever it's called, rock climbing, I think it is. I'll throw it up on the screen what it actually is called. It's so much harder than it looks. Like, my arms are killing me.
Because you don't have muscle yet.
Thank you, Dad, for the compliment. Anyway, so yeah, that was. I'm still breathing. But your arms, you have to have like muscle and like abs to get to the top. And it helps that if you're tall, long legs, long arms, because half the time you can't reach some of the rocks. So anyway, we're just gonna go to a cafe, get a snack or a drink, and probably go in our room and play some Big Bash. Right, Ben?
Yes.
Yep. And as my dad said, energize. So see you later. Oh yeah, what a snack. Fresh from that restaurant, right, Ben?
Don't get the two mixed up. Don't get the two water.
Yeah, he's complaining about getting our hot chocolates mixed
The
up.
regular one?
Yeah. Right, Ben?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah. Right, Dad?
No.
Oh. Yeah, okay. So I got that and hot chocolate right before dinner. Better not eat too much. How do I look? Anyway, you might be wondering why I'm wearing this. Well, look at this. Dress code. Formal. Make it a night out in your best black tie look. Suits and ties. So pretty much every day, the cruise has a dress code. Sometimes it's formal, informal, casual. And I guess today's that formal day. So, oh well. I mean, it's alright, but yeah. And just to tell you, I'm not wearing those, no. All these people, all these suits, all these VIPs. That is the menu. Lobster, pear salad, prawn cocktail, escargot.
What's this called?
That's what is it?
Snail.
Yeah, snail. My dad had it. He didn't like it.
I love it.
Lamb shanks. You can pause it if you like to see.
Oh, you're a vlogger?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Before we begin, look how many forks, knives, spoons, more knives. Yeah. Wait. There's lots. Like, what is the difference between these two?
I don't have seafood, isn't it? Seafood.
Anyway, there's lots of stuff. Look at this meal. I don't even know what fork and knife to use. This is a cube. This is a cube for scale. It is quite big. Yeah. It's very big. Oh, look how pink that is. This looks so yummy, isn't it?
Very nice.
Yeah, it's very yummy. I can't wait. Oh yeah, vanilla ice cream as dessert. That's looking good. Oh yeah. We just came back by stairs. All of us are huffing and puffing. I think we went like 10 stairs. Oh my gosh, we've done like 50 stairs today. Anyway, they did our room and oh my god, look at this. They tried to find early planner and it found our TV remote. But most importantly, look at that. That is a work of art. Oh, look. Oh. Cut. Never mind. They also have it. Right, Dad? Yes. You guys also have it. What is this? Comment below what this is. This is like Yoda or like baby elephant. I don't know what this is, but it looks cool, isn't it? So we're probably gonna go play table tennis soon, and then probably watch this really cool show, Pixels. So yeah, see you later. We're waiting in queue now, about to go to the venue. Let's go. As you can see, we are here. Or you can't see because the dark mode on a GoPro is bad. I'm here with Nathan and Dad, and we're here. I'll film a bit of it, but I don't think I can film a lot because I'll probably get copyrighted. But see you later. That was good. Oh my gosh. The robots are so cool and everyone is well trained. Highly recommend if you go on the ship, Ovation of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, obviously. This, another pizza as a snack. If you didn't already know, this is Sorrento's pizza and it's a 24/7 pizza, so you can even come at midnight. And also, he's having food, he's hungry. Yep, my dad's hungry. Hashtag sugar dad. That was a good, delicious meal, wasn't it, Dad?
An awesome meal. Better than the avocado.
Yeah, so now, and not the healthiest.
Better than the seafood linguine I had.
True. But now, we're going to the bionic bar, which is a bar using robots, not humans. Not human bartenders, but robots. So, let's check it out. My dad is ordering a drink. He's gonna get drunk. He's added to cart.
Really?
That's $6 US, quite pricey, but okay. And he's checked it out. Order's been sent. Which one is your one?
I don't know.
It's a big both.
You tell me anyway.
Look at that. Estimated waiting time 0
Not yet.
minutes.
Haven't started yet. Green production progress 0. Click the green progress on the screen, big screen. Big screen. What big
Which
screen?
one is?
Oh, that right, big screen over there.
Oh, Dad, this one. That is my dad's name right there. John Alt and what's this one? Now adding. I can tell you what you're adding. Sick! That is sick. Oh, if I go. Dad, let's see you drink. I can drink it too.
Yeah, it's non-alcoholic.
First taste. Drink review.
Right, come on.
Taste review.
Come on. Yeah,
Non-alcoholic, okay? Non-alcoholic.
Turn around.
Worth $6. A robot touched this. Ho, ho, ho. Hey guys, we've been chilling in our room for quite a bit, as you can see. Finished our drink. Highly recommend. But even though it's a bit pricey, but that's okay. Anyway, oh yeah, we should be going to sleep now. So see you tomorrow. Look, I can fix it. I can fix it. Trust me. I can fix it. Just this crossover's there. Crossover's this. Yep. And then this goes in here. I fixed it. Yeah. That looks much better.